Most people think turning $100 into $1 million is impossible. But in the AI era, there's a system that can do exactly that. Today, I'll show you the step-by-step method that anyone can follow. No coding, no magic, just repeatable principles that work for the next decade. Traditional ways of growing money are slow, unreliable, and often don't scale. Saving in banks, investing blindly, or following outdated financial advice won't make you rich fast enough in the AI era. Wealth now comes from systems, not luck. By understanding these systems and applying AI-era thinking, small amounts of money can grow exponentially. Step 1 is building your base. Starting small is key. With $100, you can begin creating a system for growth. Focus on consistent saving and smart initial investments. This small foundation grows faster if you apply compounding principles. Remember, $100 is not a limit, it's your starting point for a system that scales. Step 2 is multiplying your money using AI-era opportunities. You don't need to know how to code, you need to understand systems. AI creates new ways to generate income, automated businesses, digital assets, and smart investments. Reinvest your profits consistently. This step moves your $500 to $10,000. And it's where systems start to compound dramatically. Step 3 is scaling. Once your system reaches several $1,000s, it's time to scale. Use repeatable methods, investments, AI-driven opportunities, and digital businesses. Each dollar now works harder than before because the system multiplies itself. With careful scaling, $10,000 can become $100,000 and beyond. Step 4 is long-term growth. Systems become powerful over years. $100,000 now can grow to $1 million if your strategy is consistent, reinvested, and scaled correctly. AI doesn't replace work, it amplifies effective systems. This step separates casual earners from true wealth creators. The core principle is systemized growth. Start small, reinvest consistently, scale with AI-era methods, and focus on long-term compounding. Anyone can do this. The system, not luck, creates wealth. $100 today can be $1 million tomorrow if you follow the system. If you want more AI-era wealth systems and strategies, subscribe now. I'll show you exactly how to grow your money, mindset, and opportunities for the next decade. Don't miss out. Wealth favors the systemized,